想まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプアランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうオリジナル VIP
Many many diamonds dangling Bag full of money we strangling Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me All the above cause you can't get in I don't want no problem Because me professional Make you shake your cats Thank you Haters take it personal
Like a Canada type Let's all nail talk Oh let's goなっちま前に Let's all 発散しきちまおうぜ Let's go Let's go ぜひレギュラーラブから Let's go 20は Go じゃない2 Go 入力するなぜ表現 Point
I wonder if you know How that it be Tokyo If you seen it then you mean it Then you know you have to go First and failure Dip, dip, dip First and failure Dip, dip, dip
はい、私テリヤキボイスあっという間吹き飛ばすノイズ慢心してますんでゲットペンの数も増えてますベーシックはサプライズでマジ毎日が危ないぜ忍者風賢者風だけどゲイシャーウェイトの惑星からのシャー
See me in the parking lot 7-Eleven is the spot Bikes with wings and shiny things and lions, tigers, bears, oh my ride We fierce and fast, supersonic like JJ Fatten We rock till the wheels are flat Can't beat that with a baseball bat
Like a cool on 休暇飛ぶさ待てばいいぜ即歳要インターセプターして国際的犯罪は万歳ほらハンザーファレルがボムポストを取り出す今夜の4 boys from Far East Coast どうせ最後
私のゴースト I wonder if you know How that it be Tokyo If you seen it then you mean it Then you know you have to go First and failure Dip, dip, dip First and failure Dip, dip, dip
Yeah 一番毎日ドキドキですヒートアイランド飛び飛びで燃える用紙でぼちぼちね玉ねぎで誘うこっちこっちへヒートアップで通りそう街中すべて乗り込むめっちゃ借りもんだってシャーごちゃごちゃファストやフーマス
It's gotta be the shoes, gotta be the furs That's why ladies choose me All up in the news cause we so cute That's why we so huge Harajuku girls know how I feel Daily spec I keep it real Not a China man cause I ain't from China man I am Japan man
私は時を好き
You see Nigo coming out of the black pants as a laugh
素敵
You wonder where he get that kind of money
時を好き
Don't worry about it
なたの車捨て
Let's go I wonder if you know How that it be Tokyo If you seen it then you mean it Then you know you have to go First and failure Dip, dip, dip First and failure Dip, dip, dip Wonder if you know How that it be Tokyo If you seen it then you mean it Then you know you have to go First and failure Dip, dip, dip First and failure
coming from the top of my dome when I'm dropping my own type of style, and ain't nobody stopping my rise to the very top. Hit 'em up with all I got. Superstar, no I'm not. Green weed, black Glock. Everybody want a piece. Dirty like a pair of cleats. Niggas run their mouth a lot like bitches and parakeets. How you want me pimpin'? I'm so cold with it. Make other boys wanna do it just because I did it. I'm like a legend or some kind of prophecy, sent here to set you free. Press play and follow me into another world deep inside your own soul. This shit here way bigger than tattoos and cornrows. This not about making dough, not about no faking yo, not about who rich or poor, not about who niggas know. This here about you and me. This here about poetry. This here about who we be. If you in here with me,
Keep your ears wide open. This is all real, no joking. Throw your motherfucking hands up in the air. If you feel me, throw your hands up in the air. Better keep your ears open. This is all real, no boasting. Throw your hands up in the motherfucking air. If you feel me, throw your hands up in the air. The motherfucking air.
you don't know me. Why you niggas wanna be all in my ear like you the paparazzi? Boy, I was full of game way before this rap thing. Real for the money came, that's why I will never change me. Ain't nobody like, even though they try to be. Niggas think they are, but they ain't fucking with me lyrically. I was born with it, didn't nobody teach it to me. Over hot beef, tell you about what the streets did to me. Chose me to be a prophet and lead my people. Murder non-believers with lyrics that are lethal. I hit them heavy with it, yo, I stay ready with it. Come try to test me with it, regret you ever did it. Call who pimpin', I got my own back. You got that baby paper, I got them grown stacks. But this ain't about no bread, not about what niggas said, not about what hoes believe. If you in here with me,
Keep your ears wide open. This is all real, no joking. Throw your motherfucking hands up in the air. If you feel me, throw your hands up in the air. Better keep your ears open. This is all real, no boasting. Throw your hands up in the motherfucking air. If you feel me, throw your hands up in the air. The motherfucking air.
yeah, I gotta come again just to let you know the deal. 8 ways the company, beats come from Dude Real. We the niggas should not nobody be fucking with. Slab riders, chopper city, how you bitches ducking quick. This ain't about who rap the best, this ain't about who got the most. This is not no gangster rap, this ain't about no pimps and hoes. This here ain't no country shit, ain't no way to label this. Memphis where I come from, Orange Mound veteran. But I represent whoever live in poverty. Hard working niggas that try to hustle honestly. Man, I represent who looking good and feeling nice. Niggas on that drink and drove, fresh clothes full of ice. We gon' keep it slumming, coming with the dirtiest. If you from the gutter, then I know you heard of this. This ain't about where you're from, this ain't about where you be. This here about feeling free, if you in here with me.
Keep your ears wide open. This is all real, no joking. Throw your motherfucking hands up in the air. If you feel me, throw your hands up in the air. Better keep your ears open. This is all real, no boasting. Throw your hands up in the motherfucking air. If you feel me, throw your hands up in the air. The motherfucking air. Go ahead and put 'em up. Put your hands where I can see 'em. Put your hands where I can see 'em. Go ahead and put 'em up. Put your hands where I can see 'em. Put your hands where I can see 'em.
Yeah, 8 ways, Durilla, Collab, Slab 2 is going down, baby. It's your boy Milwaukee. Stop playing.